Hey everyone, welcome back to PX Mentor. Today, we're diving into Figma to create a scrollable bio page prototype. This is perfect for showcasing your personal brand or portfolio. Let's jump right in. First, draw a rectangle, 393 pixels wide, just like an iPhone screen. Next, divide it into 3 equal sections. That's 131 pixels each. Now add a vertical guide in the center to align the wave peak. Select the rectangle, double-click, Edit Rectangle. Then grab the pen tool. Start from the bottom left. Add curve points at the left third and the right third. Select the Move tool and start editing both sides. Select both points and set corner radius 160. Once your shape is ready, go to the Fill section, upload your image, and set the Fill mode to crop. Then just adjust the image inside the shape. Quick, clean, and fully custom. First, let's get our Figma file ready. Drag it into the iPhone frame. Add a text box for your name and another for your tagline. Center them in the frame to keep everything neat. Drag a rounded rectangle into the frame. Select both elements and align them to the center. Right-click and choose Group Selection or press Ctrl+G to group them. Rename the group in the Layers panel for better organization. Now, let's tidy things up with Auto Layout. Apply Auto Layout to the whole frame. Set the direction to vertical and adjust the gap to 20 pixels. Don't forget to set the alignment to top center and height to hug content. Open the padding settings and set the bottom padding to 32 pixels. Bring in more text, images, or adjectives to personalize your bio page. Double-click the text boxes to replace them with your name, a tagline, and 3 adjectives that describe you. Add a short bio in a text box. This is your chance to showcase your personality. Let's make it pop with some colors. Click on the frame and choose your brand colors. In Figma, head to your prototype settings, pick a device, like the iPhone 16, then go back to design mode. Click on the iPhone 16 frame, hold down Shift+Space, and now you can scroll through it just like a real website or app. The cool thing is if I make any changes to the design, they instantly update in the prototype too. I found a yellow texture image I want to use. I'll copy it, go back to the iPhone 16 frame, and hit Ctrl+V. You'll see the update instantly reflected in the prototype. Another way to view your prototype is to click on the play button up here and present the prototype itself. And that's it. Your stunning scrollable bio page in Figma is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with the latest in design and prototyping. This is PX Mentor. Happy designing!